Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can access the BIOS setting from Windows 11. Now, we know that different computers have different motherboards and different motherboards have different ways to access the BIOS, but here I am going to show you a trick that you can use to access the BIOS regardless of your motherboard. All right, so let's start. So open up your start menu and go to the power button here. Now hold shift and click on restart. So while your system is restarting, don't let go of the shift key. Now this is going to take you to Windows recovery mode. Now when you are in this window, you can let go of the shift button and click on troubleshoot. And from here, click on advanced options and then go to UEFI firmware settings. Okay, so from here you can click on restart. So after that, your system is going to boot into your BIOS. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.